Hi, hello guys, this is EveryOne. Hope you're doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Data Science for Everyone. Let's get started with today's topic on Tableau, regarding how to download and install the Tableau. Let's go to the Tableau website first. This is how the Tableau website is, tableau.com products, and we need to download the desktop version. So over here you can see there is a 14 days trial version. So you need to put up over here your business email or email ID and need to download the free trial. You will get the link over here in your respected email ID, what you will be putting over here. Let's see how we need to download once you receive your download trial version in your email. Let's see the process for this. Tableau have different versions. Right now it's 2020 version. So let's see what software is required for installing this. Major release, system requirement, downloading software and installing software is what we'll be covering over here. This is the link for the major releases for the tool, or you can go to the Tableau website and you can download over there. This is what the Tableau desktop versions are: 2019 1.2, 0.3 and 0.4, and latest version are 0.2, 2020.1 and 2 and 3. So you can check out in the link. Our system requirement for this is operating system. We need to have basic Windows 7, 32-bit or 64-bit. Microsoft Server, that is 2008 R2 or Neo 1. For the processor, we need to have Intel 4 or AMD or the Neo 1. At least we need to have 2 GB of RAM and minimum hard disk space of 1.5 GB or higher on that. And the same with the Mac system. You need to have at least 5 GB of minimum free disk, and like operating system OS 10.10 and MacBook computer 2009 or Neo 1 version. So let's see. Personally, I prefer it should be like 4 or 8 GB. That will be great if we need to access Tableau in a like better thing, like doing visualization of content and different loading different data in it and doing visualization. So it required a little bit of greater RAM in it. So you can download the link over here, or you can go to tableau.com, and after that you can go to desktop version. You can download it and you can download the trial version, or the 14 days trial version over there. Let's see how to install it. Over here, once you get the link, you can click in the link and you will get this, and you need to accept the like terms and condition and license agreement for the Tableau. Then click on installation. Once it's done, you will be getting this, and you need to just install it by clicking on the shortcut keys, creating the menu, installing Microsoft SQL Server. Over here you need to choose the start trial version now, or start later, or activate the product key if you have purchased the Tableau version. Then almost over here you need to register the Tableau registration form, your first name, the last name, your business email ID with organization which you're working currently, your country like India or United States with state and zip code, and over here the phone number. And you can click over start trial now. You will get 14 days of trial of course for free, and after that you need to activate your Tableau. See over here, if you have activation key, you need to go to click activate, and over here you can see asking for enter the product key. Then you need to click on product key, and then after you can activate over here. And if you don't have, and if you're going for further activation, you could see activate the product. You couldn't able to activate the product, you need to do retrieve and so on, and still you couldn't able to, because if you're entering the wrong product key, it will not take. So that's it. You can see the price version too if you're going online, and you can check what it has for the buying for you, so we can check out that too, or else you can use 14 days trial version. Tableau with one hosted online, like hosted Tableau online, you can see one creator or developer license will be given with $70 USD, and annually it will be like, if you're taking that, it will be around $840 USD. So, or else explorer, someone who want to explore it, you will, again for that is again a different license it required, that cost of like 42 per month and 500 per annually. And for viewer it's like 15 USD, just you can view the Tableau visualization things what you got the file from. So you can use just for viewing the Tableau, that's it. And if you want complete version for developer thing, then you need to buy creator version license. Sure guys, that's it what we have for today, and if you have any doubt you can comment me on the comment section regarding this, and the step-by-step procedure for it, and I have given you the link in the description or the GitHub, so you can check in that and you can follow it. It's a step-by-step procedure for installing Tableau. Thank you, have a great day.